Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to replace these hood struts real quick. These are it. Part number. So pretty quick. You just bang them out. Oh, never mind. This one got a little clip here. There's a 06 BMW 530. Alright. I need a thinner one. So yeah, it's got a little plowing right now. It's a mess out there. Yeah, like I said, it's got a little thing you gotta take off. I'll just use this ply with a flat. Take it right off. Yeah, it's a little pin. There's one there. Got mine held up by a bar right now. Hopefully it doesn't fall on my head, but yeah, once you take the two from the top and the bottom, or is it just one and one? Oh, crappy phone. There you go. We can let them go, and that's it. Hopefully it doesn't fall on my head. See? Yep, all you do is bang it out. Then like I said, always measure. Should be the same. Yeah, I don't know about that, but we'll try it, like I said. Yeah, it should fit. You just pop it right in. Pops in like nothing. And that's it. One down. One more to go. Like I said, repeat your steps. Pretty easy to do. Like I said, part number right there. Most of them, it should be the same lift for every single one. Like I said, these are the factory ones, I think. But yeah, just a quick video. Not hard at all. Flat screwdriver, take them little pins out, and you're good to go. All right. Hope it helps you.